Welcome to another stage analysis video. It's Sunday the 5th of April 2026. Lots to get through this weekend with the first watch list stocks in a little while on the weekend after a few weeks without, because of the geopolitical events sending us heading downwards in the market in a early stage 4 territory. So just starting to see some stocks perking back up again with the short-term potential swing low. So starting off this week with FLY, so Firefly Aerospace, which part of the space theme, which seems relevant this week with the first manned mission to do the flyby of the moon this week. So you can see just pushing up towards the potential stage 2 level at the moment, with a few really strong days during last week compared to obviously what the market itself was doing. So it's above the 21-day moving average, plus 1 ATR, plus 2 ATR level at the moment. So strongly trending in the short term within this sort of broader structure that's been developing over the last 4 or 5 months or so. So we go to the weekly chart of this quickly. You can see the double bottom base that's formed. It formed a higher low before starting to push out. So this is the current stage 2 level to watch for. You can see the significant bar last week. So potentially could need to consolidate a little underneath that. But if there is momentum still, it does manage to push through quickly, then we'll be looking for a kind of grinding its way back up towards the IPO level. So come back to the daily chart here. You can see it's still good 100% plus from the IPO open back in August. So a long way to go to get back to that level, but it is attempting to base and it is attempting to turn around at the moment. So we'll see if that can follow through this week. And then going on, let's go to the third one first now. So obviously following the same theme, which is UFO. So the ETF that covers the space stocks. So sticking with that theme, you can see the significant bar in that, as there was a number of stocks from that group with strong moves last week as well. You can see again, this is above its plus 1 ATR level and attempting to make a stage 2 continuation attempt. So we go to the weekly chart on that. You can see that moving higher in stage 2 for a while now. Did have a brief knockdown into stage 4, but has been running strongly. So looking, you see, making a new stage 2 continuation breakdown, and the volume over the last 3 or 4 months or so has been much more significant in this area as the theme has started to gain traction with multiple stocks. So coming back to secondary stock here, so FRO, so Frontline Limited, it's from the Marine Transportation Group. So if we come into the weekly chart on this on the website, you can see they started to move out into stage 2 all the way back in May 2025. Went sideways for a little bit, did have a sharp pullback, then managed to make a continuation move and has followed through mostly since then in stage 2. You can see the recent pullback low has been much more significant after about 5 weeks ago started to pull back heavily back towards its rising 10-week moving average. So currently phase A of a potential structure here developing. Come back into the daily chart, you can see that's this area through here, but then last week on Friday following through back to the upside again. So multiple stocks in the Marine Transportation Group and the oil and gas shipping transportation stocks moving strongly higher at the end of the week. So we'll see geopolitical events still continuing to be volatile with the ongoing conflict. So pushing above the plus 1 ATR level here in the near term. You can see back at the start of the year did undercut the prior low from October, made a little spring, then followed through, sign of strength bar as it started to move back through its 50-day moving average and started to push back higher with stage 2 continuation. So at the moment, pushing back towards the highs. This could be a potential base structure, but if it does continue to grind higher, we could still see it push through that. There hasn't been a sign of a double top as yet in this one. So the marine transportation stocks and the oil and gas shipping transportation groups still looking strong in the near term. You can see over the last few weeks showing some strong relative strength versus the market.